use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, hon, I'm in the middle of telling a story here. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing my new MacBook Pro. So my mum was so kind to buy me a MacBook Pro. It was meant to be like a graduation present, but because I'm having like some laptop problems and I've got a dissertation to write, my mum just bought it for me now. So yes, and for everyone that's going to be like, oh my god, your mum and dad buy you things, how about you mind your damn business? Okay. So I haven't touched the box, literally nothing. So can you see my address? No, you cannot see my address. So I'm gonna, oh, I don't even need scissors because oh god. Right, so I think I'm gonna do an unboxing and a review because I've never had a MacBook before, so I don't even know how to use one. Dun, dun, dun. This is gonna annoy me. Just stay down, thank you very much. I just love how they've got like little labels. You don't need scissors or nothing. Just, would you look at that? It's bloody brilliant, isn't it? This is beautiful. This is actually so beautiful, I'm so excited. And let's see what you get with it. You get a charging wire. Oh, you get a plug, and then I don't know what that is. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, I know. You got to slide it in. That makes sense. And then you plug that in there, and then you charge it. And I think that's all you get. I got mine through uni days and with student discount, so I got 10% off. So I think it was meant to be 1,300 and I got it for 1,150 or something like that. Right, let me move this out the way. I got my first person making a fake account of it, which is like so weird. Like they had a picture of me from when I was 16. Oh, it's turning on. I had a picture of me when I was like 16 years old. And they had that as a profile picture, and I was like, what? And I used to have the picture on my Instagram and I deleted it because it's like, I deleted it so long ago. And I was like, what weirdo has pictures of me from when I was 16 on their phone now? By the way, I'm 21 now.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, hon, I'm in the middle of telling a story here. So I'm pay attention. I'm just setting it up now. Oh my god. Another weird thing. The art button is in a different place. I'm gonna get confused with that, I already know it. The art button is where the to button is. And the speech mark is where the up button is meant to be. I'm surprised it actually like just turned on without me having to charge it. Ooh. Alright, I bet you lot are thinking, oh my god, have you never used a MacBook before? No? I haven't? Oh, it's setting up. I'm a savage. Crazy, wretched, sassy, beauty, nasty, acting, stupid, happening. What's happening? So if you don't know anything about MacBooks like me, there you go. I'm so excited. And I've got a MacBook cover too. I bought it months ago just because I was like excited to get a MacBook. Because I was going to pay for it myself, but I didn't know my mum had a surprise for me. She wanted to get me it for as a graduation present. I'm practically done. I've got a dissertation to write and I've got like a presentation to write. The setup is done. Is it touchscreen? No, it's not touchscreen. but I've seen someone else do this. That's the only reason I know what to do. So to move up and down on your screen, you use 2 fingers. And yeah, you're thinking, oh, did you know all laptop not do it? I had an ancient laptop. Like, my laptop was ancient. I don't know how to use it. I'll be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah. Oh my god, I could probably FaceTime on this. I might FaceTime actually. Okay, so on a normal computer, you have your X to take the page off, and then you've got minimize and maximize. Instead of that being on the right corner, it's on the left, and you've got 3 buttons. So red, orange and green. So red is to close the application. The orange is to like bring it down, so it's still open but you're just not looking at that. Don't know what the word is for that, but that's what it does. And then it goes into the corner, and then for your green button, I'm gonna do that later because ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh, the camera's a bit rubbish on it, to be honest. The camera's not that great. Okay, so I'm gonna go through a little bit about what I actually got, what processes I went through to get it, just because I realised I haven't actually said that. So I got the MacBook Pro and I got the 13-inch 2021, and the only difference is with the 2020 and the 2019 is the touchpad, and that is with the Core i5 processor. I'm not actually sure what that means. The one that I got was the cheapest one, which was £1,299, and that is with 256 gigabyte of storage. I got it a little bit cheaper through uni days, so that's like an app for students and you get 10% off with that. So I think my overall came to £1,168, something around that. So it was quite a lot of, and I did search and I tried to look for deals and stuff, but that was the cheapest that I could find. With Apple TV, I think free for 3 months or something like that. I don't actually use that, so that's no good for me. From reading reviews, I saw the MacBook Pro from 2019, the keyboard was very stiff, so when you press the buttons it was quite hard to push down, but with this one I think that it's like a normal one, it pushes down really easily. Another thing that I've noticed is that it has only 2 ports like this, and it's not an actual USB port. I think you need to buy an adapter, which I didn't actually know. I've only just found that out. You wouldn't be able to like plug your charger into this and then charge your phone. It also comes with an earphone jack. I don't actually know how to use it yet, so I'm still trying to figure it out. The camera is not really good. It's okay, but you'd have to be in like a bright place or whatever, like not like with your phone where you'd be able to put your brightness up. The MacBook that I got was 256 gigabytes of storage, and the next one up was £200 more. That was for 512 gigabytes of storage. So if you think it's worth it for you, then go for it if you know that you're gonna have like big files and stuff like that. But I think for me, the 250 gigabytes is more than enough. The reason I got a MacBook Pro and not a MacBook Air was because I wanted to use it for editing and stuff like that. And looking at reviews and stuff, they all said that the Pro was better. You can have it on finance, but I'm not really sure about pricing and stuff like that. Oh my god, so I ordered the MacBook 2 days ago. Delivery was included with the cost. They called to confirm the day after, and that was yesterday, and the MacBook came this morning, so the delivery is really fast. It was nice and quick and easy. The process was so simple. You get to pick everything you want. You can add extras in it if you want for more money, so you can do stuff like Apple Care for I think it's £300 more or £200 more. I can't actually remember, but you can add so many different extras in. You can add in AirPods. So for the Touch ID pad, you use your finger. You can use it for Apple Pay, and you can use it to unlock your MacBook. And then the touchpad has got so many different things on it. I'll probably move the camera and show you that a little bit better. Oh my god! So on the touchpad you can call, so it's got an option for audio or video. I'm gonna do video. The camera is really not good. So on this little touchpad you can see, so it's got her name, and then I can mute myself, end the call, camera off, live photo, and then I've got this little thing. So I don't know what that does, but let me press it. Oh, okay, that's to enable Ask Siri. You can do volume like that. So you can do brightness and move it up. Oh, that's hella bright. Right, let me see what else there is. Ooh, there's like so many different options. So this like rearranges it.
No, but honestly, what is it? How is it?
Look, I can FaceTime on this.
Is it good?
I can
Is it cool?
message. This is so cool.
Is it really cool? Oh, it looks so cute.
So that's the Touch ID. So you can use it for Apple Pay. You can use it to unlock your phone. So volume, that's to mute it, unmute it. Volume, you press it and then you can slide it across like this, which is really good. Okay, and then brightness, same thing again. Oh, that's hella dark. It comes with more options. So that's brightness again. This is really good. So let me just open a few tabs. So photo, oh my god, that's embarrassing. Calendar, contacts. So what this button does is it separates everything. It separates everything and then you can see what you have open. So if you press the button again, it jumbles it back up. Well, it should do, yeah. It jumbles it back up. And pause, that opens Apple, well, it should open Apple Music, yeah. I don't actually use Apple Music, I use Spotify. So, but this is what I mean by the camera. So the FaceTime camera isn't that good. So I've got my ring light on at the moment. If I turn my ring light off, hella dark. So you need to have like good lighting for the camera to be okay, but even then the lighting only looks like this. The camera's only this good because of the light, and if the light wasn't there, actually let's do a little experiment. So if I turn the light off but I put the brightness up, let's see how I look. Okay, so brightness. Okay, so see, that's not the best, but it's not too bad. And I have got light coming in from my window. So if I close my light and there's minimal light, that's what it'll look like. So to be fair, it doesn't look that bad on camera, but in person I think it looks a lot worse. We're back again, and yes, I record on my phone and it is the 11 Pro, so the camera is meant to be like one of the best. And it is quite good actually, so, but this is not a phone review, this is a MacBook Pro review. You can use this touchpad to like go back on the internet or go forward. So that's to open a new tab. You can use it for quite a lot of things. Let's see if you can use it for a message. So this would be writing your message to someone. If you want to type in your message, it comes up with predicted text. So, and then you can add emojis. They all just come up. So that's actually really good as well. And then I'm sure you can use it on so many different other ones, but that's what I've figured out so far. So I've also noticed that you can flip through tabs. When I'm watching YouTube videos, you can move it forward, rewind it, fast forward it. You can pause it as well. So that's what I've figured out so far with it. I'll keep you guys updated, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still watching, please leave a peace symbol up so I know you're a real one and you've watched till the end. Please like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any MacBook questions you can ask me and I'll try to figure it out. But I'm just learning. I'm learning just as much as you are. I just thought I'd do a review on the touchpad and everything else. I keep getting lipstick on my retainers. So that's the thesis. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please show your support by liking, commenting, subscribing, and let me know what you want to see next. Okay, bye.